Okay, hello friends. Our next topic is a fraction of a collection and multiples of a fraction. Okay, what does it mean? Before reading this page, first of all, we have to learn something. Okay, here you can see that here it is given as of. Here also of. Here you can find it is twice. Here you can find it is thrice, and here it is given as times time. So these words is given as you can see here carefully. First of all means of. Of means it indicate a multiple sign. Clear? Twice. If it is given as twice. Twice means multiply by 2 or double. Twice means twice you have to multiply by 2, or you can say that it will be double. Now the third word you can see here, it is here thrice. Thrice means multiply by 3. Thrice means multiply by 3. Okay, so now here it will be times. Like that, here it is example times. That means it is also a means of multiplication. Clear? So now first of all we have to learn about these words. What is mean of? Means multiply. Twice means double, means or multiply by 2. Thrice means multiply by 3, and times means multiples. Clear? Now first of all, as you can see here, one example is given. 1/4 of a collection of 20 dots. Okay, what they are asking? They are asking how many 1/4 part of the collection of 20 dots. So here you can see how many dots is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As you can find that it is 20 dots, and they are asking how much will be the 1/4 part of 20 dots. Okay, so how we can find? First of all, we'll write their example. 1/4 part of collection of 20 dots. Collection of 20 dots. So how many dots it will come? First of all, we have to see this, how we can find. Okay, so now first of all you can see here as it is given 1/4 of collection of 20 dots. Means I told you of means multiply. So what you will do? 1/4 into 20 dots. Clear? Out of 20 dot, what will be the part of 1/4? Like that it is, if it is given here. Okay, so 1/4, this will be the half part, this will be the third part, now this will be the fourth part. So if it is, you have to find what will be the fourth part, means this they want to find. So now here you can see it is multiplication. Now first of all, 20 is a numerator, downside 20 nothing is there. So what you will do? You will multiply 20 with the 1. Clear? This will become 1 into 20 upon 1 in 4 into dash, nothing is there. So 4 into nothing. So you will write, it will become 20 upon 4. Understood? Okay. Now when you will divide 20 by 4, what you will get? 5. That means 1/4 of a collection of 20 dots. How many dots it will come? 1/4 part of 20. We got 5 dots. Clear? When you will divide 20 in a 4 part, you will get, in each part you will get 5 dots. As you can see here, each part is dividing by 4. 20 is divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts is it? 4 parts. And from each part, how many dots they are getting? 5. Clear? Like that. Now, first of all, we'll see another example. The second example is also 1/4 of a collection of 20. Like that they have. Like that only we have to solve. Now, first of all, we'll solve this question, which is 3/4 of collection of 20 dot. Same example, but the numbers is here. In the first example we have find 1/4, and now it is 3/4. Now what we'll do? 3/4 of means multiplication and 20. Simple. It will become 3 into 20. I told you upside number you have to multiply. 3 into 20 divided by 4. Now 20 into 3 you will get 60/4. Now if you will divide this, you will find that this answer will become 15. Okay, so you will get 15 dots. So 3/4 part of 20 dot will be 15 dots. Clear? Now, as you can see here, it is also given. Now, twice 5 is 10. What does it mean? Twice 5 is 10. So twice, I told you, twice means multiples multiply by 2. Twice means multiply by 2, means it is 2 into 5 is means equal to, so 2 5s are 10. Clear? Okay. So now thrice means multiply by 3. So here it will become 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Understood? Okay. So now times, I told you, it is also a multiple. What you have to do? Here you have to 2/3 into multiply by 15. 15 will multiply with 2. Okay, 15 can't be multiplied by 3 because it is in denominator. Okay, so numerator multiply by numerator, it will become 2 into 15/3. This will become 30. 15 into 2, 30 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 tens are 30. So how many it will become? If you will count this shaded portion, you will find it will be 30. Understood? Okay. So now we'll see some example. Okay. So now what is 1/3 of each of the collection? The question is, what will be the 1/3 of each of the collection? Now, first of all, 1/3 of each of the collection. First is example is given 15. So 1/3 of 15 pencil. Correct? 1/3 of 15 pencil. Now same example, how we can solve this? 1/3 of means multiply with 15. Clear? Okay. So now it will become 15 will go into multiply with 1. Okay, because it is numerator with numerator. So 15 into 1 divided by 3. 15 ones are 15. You will get 15 divided by 3. Here this you will find answer will become 5. So 1/3 of 15 pencil. If you will divide 15 pencil into 1/3, 3 part. 15. If you will divide 15 pencil by 3 part, each part will contain 5 pencil. Okay, so here it is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. So each part is containing how many? 5 pencil. Like that only 1/3 of a 15 will be 5. Now in the next example, as you can see, it is 21 it is given. So 1/3 of 21 balloons. Same, how we can find? 1/3 of means into 21. Now this 21 will going to multiply with 1 and divided by 3. This will become 21 into 1 upon 3. Now this 21 into 1, you will get 21 upon divided by 3. This will become 7. So 1/3 of a 21 balloons, you will get 7. Clear? If you will divide 21 balloons into 3 parts, you will find it will become, each part they will contain as 7 balloons. Clear? I hope you understand. Same only example in the question number it is given. What is the 1/5 of each and every part? So you have to take each and every part and you have to solve it. Okay, so now here same only example, but I will take question number 3 for explaining. Find the part of each of the following number equal to the given fraction. Okay, so first example is 2 upon 3 of 30. Clear? Now I told you 2 upon 3 of means it is multiply. So 2 upon 3 into 30. 30 will going to multiply with this 2, not with this 3, because it is numerator and numerator. Okay, so here it is 2 into 30 divided by 3. This will become 30 into 2. It will become 60 divided by 3. If we will divide 60 by 3, you will find it will become 20. Okay, so just check it, divide, and you will find it will become 20 only. Okay, you can use this division method also. Okay, so like that only question number 2 of 22. Now of means 22. Of means it is multiply. So 7 into 22 divided by 11. So 11 1 say 11, 11 2 say 22. So now what will become? 7 into 2. This will become 14. Clear? Now we will talking about mixed fraction. Okay, so mixed fraction, as you can see, all you can same only example you can solve. Okay, so now here it is given as mixed fraction. Now what is meant by mixed fraction? Mixed fractions are the numbers in which